workspace, but I really call it the focus workspace, where you have all your digital assets in one spot. They're all on the timeline, and you've got everything set up, and now you can do the work. Okay. I equate it to this. If you're building a shed, you go to a store, you buy the supplies, they deliver it to wherever you're going to build that shed, right? So all the materials, right? They put all the materials, let's say you're building it in the backyard. You put all the materials in the backyard, and then you go and buy all the tools you need. And you put all those tools right next to the materials. Okay, and then you have a diagram of how you're going to build it. It's all organized, right? So this is essentially that. This is the focus zone now, where we know what we got to do. I got the design, I got the materials, I got the tools. So now I can go do the work. Okay, and that's really what this is it gives you kind of a focus of, even though it's minimal, it gives you a focus of what you can do, okay, of what you need to do. Okay? Yes, I really like that. Okay, so one thing I want to change with this too is I want to select the text, and I'm going to change this to Learn Tech. Okay, because I think that would look cool. So, plus when I'm focused like this, nice. I like it. Looks good. All right, so I'll save that. Thanks for watching. That's the minimal workspace. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the motion tracking workspace. Okay, so I'm going to do Window, Workspace, Motion Tracking. Okay, so with this gives us a different look and feel than the previous workspace, obviously, which is a minimal, I call it the focus workspace, but it's really a minimal workspace where you don't have all these panels showing up. It's just the source and the timeline. And with this one, which is the motion tracking, it gives you focus on motion tracking. Okay, so you can utilize all these tools here. And it just, like I said, think of workspaces as a template. Okay, so you have 5 templates of whatever you're working on, and they're stored in 5 different spots. Okay, and you click on one, and then you get a different template. That's really what workspaces are. And like I said, this gives you the option for tracker, content-aware fill, and all this other stuff down here to really be able to do your motion tracking. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Paint workspace. So with this, let's go to Window and Workspace and go down to Paint. And with this, we can paint this background here. Let's do a little painting, shall we? So I can just kind of do whatever, and we can put that above this one. And let's see if that actually, oh, I don't have it on, that's why. Okay, so we can just kind of paint on this, and that's really it. So you can paint, you can select different brushes, we can have change modes, so you can do a variety of blending modes. Okay, channels, RGBA, you can do RGB, alpha. Okay, so you can set target channels for new stroke, duration, constant, right on, single frame, custom. Okay, and then all these other options here. And then you have brushes. So we can select different brushes, diameter, angle, roundness, hardness, spacing, brush dynamics, pen pressure, minimum size 1%, angle, roundness, opacity, flow. Okay. And then we can preview it. So if I hit play, it'll preview the layer white solid 1, which is this right here. Okay, so we can preview it and see how it would look. And you'll notice that if I turn this one off and then I scrub through, it should display these different things that I did. But it also shows Learn Tech, which is in white, so you can't really read it. So when I turn this on, then we don't get to see any of it because this white background is layer 1. It's on the bottom, okay? And then the green is right here, okay? So that's fine, but that's how you use the paint workspace and actually how you paint too. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the small screen workspace. So if I go up to Window in Workspace, click on Small Screen. Let's see what we got here. I have Libraries, Effects, Preview, and Info. Okay, and again, this is just moving stuff around. Okay, but that's really it. That's a small screen. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.